So how practical is the M4, you may ask? All right, so I'm swapping the wheels out, putting the factory OEM 437s back on, and back here, 1, 2, 3 sets of wheels, and then in the trunk, 4th wheel. I was able to fit all those in there pretty easily. So that's your idea of how practical this car is. I've really loved the practicality of it. I don't really use it much, to be honest, the full practicality, because I don't haul much. Usually I just go to the grocery store and get a couple of bags, but so I don't really need the extra space. But it is handy for when I do come across a situation where I want extra practicality. And then also BMW makes it real simple. With these levers here, it opens up the back seats, so I can push them down, and I have a elongated space. So I've used that maybe once or twice, but yeah, practicality of this M4 is great. Obviously M3 will be even more practical because of the 4 doors, but M4 does a pretty great job. Plenty of space. I'm able to fit four 20-inch wheels in the car without much of a hiccup. So that's that. All right, got the wheels out. All right, and got my impact wrench here. I'm gonna take these wheels off and breaker bar. About halfway done. Got the 437s factory wheels back on the front. Now I just got to do the rears. Okay, got all the wheels on, and we are good. The wheels are dropped.
That's the color that I want.
All right, so now I'm going to settle those 6666. Finished up, got the 437s back on those wheels, back on the car. And got my 666s out here. Gonna be selling these